Ever wonder how writing a letter to yourself can heal emotional wounds? If you're searching for a way to cope with stress or anxiety, this video is for you. Today, we'll explore the transformative power of self-letter writing and how it can enhance your mental wellness. In our fast-paced world, many of us find it challenging to process our emotions. We often bottle things up, leading to stress and anxiety. But what if I told you that putting pen to paper could be a powerful tool for healing? Writing letters to yourself allows you to reflect on your feelings, express your thoughts, and gain clarity about your emotions. This practice has been shown to reduce stress and promote self-compassion. Let's break it down. First, writing letters helps you process your emotions. When you articulate your feelings, you gain insight and understanding. Second, it encourages self-reflection, allowing you to celebrate your achievements and acknowledge areas for growth. Third, this practice fosters self-compassion, as it enables you to treat yourself with kindness and understanding. Throughout this video, I'll guide you through a simple step-by-step process to get started with writing letters to yourself, making it easy to incorporate into your routine. And stay tuned because I'll share a powerful prompt that can change your perspective on challenges you're facing. You won't want to miss this. In conclusion, writing letters to yourself can be a profound way to heal emotional wounds and promote mental wellness. So, grab a notebook and start writing. Remember, it's about being honest and compassionate with yourself. If you found this video insightful, please leave a comment sharing your thoughts on self-letter writing and subscribe for more mental health tips. Thank you for watching.